Success is often pictured as a grand, shining destination, a summit reached after a dramatic climb, a trophy held aloft after a single heroic effort. But in reality, success is rarely the result of one bold leap. It is built gradually, piece by piece. Like a sturdy house made of countless little bricks. Each brick, though small on its own, plays an essential role in creating something strong and lasting. In the journey toward your goals, it's these little bricks, daily habits, consistent effort, and incremental improvements that truly make all the difference. Imagine you're standing at the base of a mountain, looking up at the peak. The distance seems overwhelming. It's tempting to wonder how anyone ever makes it to the top, but every experienced climber knows that the journey is made up of small, steady steps. You take one step and then another. Over time, those steps add up, carrying you toward your goal. In life, these steps are the little bricks. Waking up early, learning something new, practicing your craft, keeping promises to yourself. Each day offers an opportunity to lay down a new brick, to move just a little closer to where you want to be. Building success step by step begins with setting clear, achievable goals. It's easy to get lost in the dream of success, but dreams must be broken down into actionable steps. Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve? Then, break that goal into smaller tasks. If your dream is to write a book, your little bricks might be writing 1 page a day. If your goal is to run a marathon, your bricks could be running a little farther each week. Small, consistent actions are far more powerful than sporadic bursts of effort. Consistency is the mortar that holds the bricks together. It's not enough to act only when you feel motivated. Motivation can be fleeting, but habits endure. By committing to daily or weekly routines, you ensure that progress continues even on days when inspiration is scarce. Over time, these routines become second nature, and the wall of your success grows taller and stronger. Remember, a single brick may not seem impressive, but a wall built brick by brick is formidable. Patience is another essential ingredient. In a world that celebrates overnight success, it's easy to grow impatient when progress seems slow. But true success is built over time. Each brick, no matter how small, contributes to the structure you're creating. Celebrate small victories along the way. Recognize that every bit of progress matters. When you look back, you'll see that what once seemed impossible was achieved through steady, persistent effort. There will be setbacks. Some bricks may crumble or need to be replaced. That's part of the process. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's a key component. Each mistake offers a lesson, a chance to refine your approach and build back stronger. Resilience is built by facing challenges and continuing to lay those bricks, one day at a time. Support from others can make the journey easier. Seek out mentors, friends, and colleagues who believe in your vision. Lean on their experience, listen to their advice, and let their encouragement keep you moving forward. Collaboration and community can help you gather more bricks and lay them more effectively. Ultimately, success is not just about reaching the top. It's about the person you become along the way. Each brick you lay represents growth, discipline, and determination. By focusing on the process rather than just the outcome, you build not only achievements but also character. So, as you pursue your dreams, remember the power of the little bricks. Embrace the daily grind, the small wins, the lessons in each setback. With patience, consistency, and resilience, you will build a foundation that can support any ambition. Step by step, brick by brick, greatness is within your reach.